But stress out. Some of them gal I need for stop. You don't know it's your girl, dear.
Mwah.
Mwah.
Mommy.
Say please to watch my tutorial.
Please to watch my tutorial.
Thank you. I did my makeup.
And thank you. I do my makeup.
Mwah.
Mwah.
Pretty. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So everybody was asking me for a video with that little bad person.
Hi guys.
So she's gonna take over the story time for tonight. So the floor is yours. Do your story time. Go ahead, talk. What you wanna talk about? You don't have to go so close. Right there. Good.
Hi. Welcome back to my channel. So my mother is just talking about me. I just want to do my makeup.
Not you. Why
I
not?
just want to do my makeup. So just like my mother. Mommy, I want to do my makeup just like you. Please.
Okay.
Makeup, mommy.
Ariana is gonna do her makeup. So guys, I have everything in the bag. Everything is in the bag. She's gonna do her face.
Yes, I'm going to do my face. Mommy.
Aisha, shh, no. Do not take them out one by one before we pinch you. One by one.
This. This one. Give me.
Where are you gonna put that?
Hmm?
Where are you gonna put it?
On my face.
No, not this. That's not to go on face.
Hmm?
That's not to go on the face. What do you want to do?
Hmm? To write my eyebrow.
You want to do your eyebrows?
Yes. First.
Okay. First, you want to do your eyebrows.
Yes. First, and then I do all of the polish on my. Yeah.
Crazy, girl. Excuse yourself. This is to do your eyebrows.
Okay, thanks.
And you're sure you don't want me to do it? You want to do it yourself?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead. Do your eyebrows. So my daughter is doing her makeup. She's applying her eyebrows. She's drawing them.
So, mommy.
Are they finished?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
You sure?
Yeah.
Let me see. No, you want some more eyebrows. That's not finished.
Okay.
So I bet your eyebrows.
Okay. Don't trouble it. Oh, my baby.
Do your eyebrows.
Okay.
Better than that.
All right, Mom. I'm doing it. Mommy, I'm bending me. This one.
Wait, what? Turn around. So guys, because I don't want her to ruin my makeup, I'm seriously annoyed by this. That's the reason I'm not even. My reaction is very bad, but that's because she's about to ruin my makeup, people. She's gonna ruin my your face. You're doing your makeup, not me.
Okay.
Yeah, you doing you.
Makeup.
Wait, what?
I did my makeup.
No, Ari, that's not where it's supposed to go.
Where?
Here.
Here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, please don't do that. Don't be dipping yellow and pink on. Oh, God. One color, please. Look so you can see what you're doing properly.
Here's your paper.
No. Put it here. Put it here.
Here?
Right, yes, sir.
Here?
Here, sir.
Here? So.
Good. Close your eyes and apply. Behave yourself. Come here, sir. So don't make Ari do her makeup.
Makeup.
Yes, Ari's doing her makeup.
Makeup.
Good job. It's pretty. Do the other one.
This one?
No, use the same color. Why you want to change the color up?
What?
This one, that color.
Okay.
Yes, use that color. Go ahead. Apply it. Good job. Right there. Good girl. Aisha, babe. Let's see. Close your eyes.
I'm gonna put one somewhere. Wait. What's
Good
next?
job. Let me see. Close it. You did it well. Let me help you. Let me fix it for you.
Fix it for me.
Let me help you right here, son.
Alright. Good. Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome. Close your eyes. Are you? The reason why I was so upset at first, guys, because she bad me up and make me know say she don't want me to help her at all. Come. Turn around, let them see. Close it. She did really good. She did.
Now throw our eyes.
What?
Throw our Mommy.
close your
Mommy.
eyes.
Eyes are turned now.
No, you do your makeup. She not playing.
Hmm?
She's not in it. She's gonna make a whole mess. Okay, so that's it for that. You're finished with that. You don't want any more of that. Are you sure you don't want to do your eyebrows better?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Wipe that off. That's not it. Where like, turn, let me see. I don't know why you put that on your face. Come. Okay. Yeah.
Thank you, guys.
Do you want to do your eyebrows better?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do your eyebrows better. Come. I don't know what the hell is that. Let's do your eyebrows a little bit better. Sweet Aisha.
Get the eyebrow. I did my makeup, baby. Makeup.
Yes.
Makeup.
Yes, she's in her makeup.
Just like Mommy. Get the makeup. Mommy,
Yeah.
and put your lipstick
Turn.
on my mouth too.
You want lipstick too?
Yeah.
You have to turn your whole body. Turn around. This is why I don't do your makeup. This is why I don't help you, because you soon learn. I want you to learn how to do your own makeup.
Okay, Mom.
Come, turn your face. You did already mess it up, and plus I'm not putting too much stuff on your face. So we're doing it like that. Hold up your face. Get up, get up. Stay where you at.
Yeah.
Okay, I'ma fix it. Let me give you a little concealer. You go right to the sun. Give us a minute. Stay where you at, Ari.
Yeah. Just like me. Okay. Wait a minute. It's just chocolate, boy.
Alright, stay where you at.
Ah.
Shh.
That's
Shh. Shh. Alright, you have to do what I say. Come this way. Stay. Stop talking. Anyways,
Baby.
talk a story.
Okay.
Close your eyes. Just close your eyes and don't open them. Please and thank you. Okay, talk the story.
So, if I just do my makeup, I just quiet and do my makeup.
Good girl. Who taught you that? Who told you to quiet and do your makeup?
Myself.
Yourself?
Yes.
That's good. Yourself have a lot of sense, man.
Okay.
Come, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay, guys, I don't normally do this. I don't normally put her in makeup, but she wanted to see what she looked like in a makeup. And I love makeup, and she's my daughter, so Why not? Just, you know, glam her a little bit up. It's the first time too, so you guys can give this video a thumbs up. As you guys can see, I was a little bit hesitant to do it at first, but she was trying, and she did her eyebrows really well, so I did it for her because I think she's pretty. She's my pretty baby. Show them one of your eyes. So that's one of her brows, all concealed and cute. But that's a come on! Come, let's do the other one. Let's do the other one.
Do the other one?
Yeah, come.
And that eye.
Shh, don't move. Close your eyes, remember? Close your eyes, good. You don't want to spoil it, so you have to keep your eyes closed and you have to not talk. Aisha, get down, get down. Get down for your drop. Shh, Aish. Come, the other one. Aisha, sit down. Sit down and don't move. Next time, I make you do it by yourself, you know. Shh. Ari, not everything I'm say you have to repeat. Lord, man. Aisha, go sit down. Ease up this way. Hold up your head. I know the messy makeup, you know. It have to look neat and nice. Your eyebrow them have to dry. Look at your face. Don't do that. Aisha, behave yourself. It's not finished.
It's not finished?
No, it's adorable. So, when you finish, you're going to tell me if it's pretty. You want lipstick on your mouth? Alright, I will put lipstick on your mouth when you're finished.
Yes, Mommy. Thank you.
Sit up. I don't know it. Sit down now, Harry. Never say stand up, I said ease up. Don't like your carry on. You. Yeah, boy, you want lipstick on your face. I see him thing, Ari. When you say face or mouth, I see him thing. Be careful, but Ari said she never take on her face. She said she want lipstick on her mouth. I the same thing. Come. Don't hold up your face. Don't like your festivities. Come on, my girl.
With the money.
Huh?
Good.
So you say. Go. So yeah, close your eyes. You're almost there. Turn around. Let me see. Turn around. Make me see now. Make me see what you need.
Lipstick.
Oh, you want lipstick? Come.
Yes.
Let go your mouth. I don't say if it was your mouth. Let it go. So guys, we make her lip for her because my daughter is a sample. Don't do that. You're rude, this little girl, Aisha. Me not ask you, me know. Say you're rude. I tell you, go so.
They wake up.
Sister, wear makeup. Sister, has Lego. Lego. Aisha, no, rub up. Lego. Open your eye. Alright, open your eye.
Yes.
Rub up, what's up? Let me see. Rub up, no, rub up, stop. Go some. Move your lips, yes, move. Wait, rub up. Let's see. Rub up. Rub up. Let go. Let me see. Rub up again. Wait. Okay, see what else you want now.
To my face.
Come.
Yeah.
Aria, quit. Go, close your eyes. Close your eyes. You don't trust me? Okay, good. So you don't have to worry about me. Come, let me see. Come. Next time. Wow, I hope that and that. My daughter fine and nice, you see, man.
Mommy, up here. Up here.
Go, let me see. My daughter too nice. And we're done. How does it look? Go. Oh, you want like a shine on your nose?
Yes. Mommy,
Nose? Hurry up, poop, you're nasty like a dog. You just bust. Me not laugh, Harry, me not laugh. What kind of thinking poop that there was? So it's true we have shine nose, right? True we have shine nose.
Yes.
Yes, true we name shine nose people.
We do we have shine nose.
Yeah. Okay, so let the people them see your makeup. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Look at your lips. Look at your lips. Go so.
Mwah.
Mwah. Go. Mwah.